Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to set your right swipe action to archive in the Gmail app. If you ever wanted to clean up your inbox quickly with just a simple swipe, this update makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the features look the same as what I'm describing here. Once you're in the app, take a look at the top left corner. You'll see the menu icon, the one with the 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, scroll all the way down the menu until you find Settings. It's usually near the bottom. Tap on Settings and then choose General Settings from the options that appear. Inside General Settings, look for Email Swipe Actions. This is where Gmail lets you customize what happens when you swipe left or right on an email. Tap on Email Swipe Actions and you'll see 2 sections, one for right swipe and one for left swipe. Next, find the right swipe section and tap on Change next to it. A list of actions will pop up, including options like delete, archive, mark as read, and more. From that list, select Archive. Once it's selected, you can exit the settings. That's it. Your Gmail is now set up so that a quick right swipe on any email will archive it instantly. No confirmation screens, no extra taps, just one smooth motion to clear your inbox. This little tweak can save you a lot of time, especially if you manage hundreds of emails a day. It keeps everything tidy and helps you stay focused on the messages that matter most. If this tip helped you out, consider tidying up your inbox today. It might make checking email feel a lot less stressful. Thanks for watching.